Thank you for calling the Social Security Administration. My name is Mrs. Walker. How can I help you?
I have a new phone number and address that I need to update. I also would like to add a bank account so I can get direct deposit. And I would like to talk about my Social Security benefits.
Okay, I can help you with that. I need to ask you a few questions to identify you, and then we can get started. I'll need your Social Security number, your date of birth, your city and state of birth, and your mother's maiden name.
My Social Security number first, right?
Oh, yes.
Can you let me know what those 4 things you need again are?
I will need your Social Security number, your date of birth, city and state where you were born, and your mother's maiden name.
My Social Security number is 042559678. My birthday is April 4th, 1969. I was born in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. My mom's maiden name? That was so long ago. It is Owens. Is that it?
And then, perfect. Thank you so much. What was your previous address?
My old address is 872 St. Lawrence Avenue. That's in Columbus, Ohio. The zip code is 43213.
Okay. Now I can update your information. What is your new address and phone number?
My new address is 3155 Kings Avenue, and that's in Gahanna, Ohio, 43230. And my phone number is 614-856, it's new, so I'm trying to remember, 0318.
Great, thank you. I have that updated. Now for the bank account information you wanted to add. Please start with the routing number. That'll be the first number on the bottom left-hand corner of your check.
Well, I don't have a check. I have a card, but I don't have a check. The bank I'm using is USA Bank. It's off of Preston and Livingston Avenue on that intersection. That's the bank I use. I have the account number. Could I give that to you? It's 1304-5876-5894. The routing number. I don't have the routing number. Can you find my account using the
yeah, I can find that. No worries. The routing number for your account is 042000013. And I want to verify your checking account number just to make sure I have that correct. It's 130-458-765-894. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Okay, and the very last thing I want to talk about is my monthly Social Security income. I've been making a lot less than I used to, and I don't understand why that happened. I don't know what's wrong. But I have monthly bills that I have to pay, and I don't know how I'm supposed to pay for that with $106. I need all of my money. It's almost like you stole from me, and that's not right.
Okay, Mrs. Walker, are you currently working? And also, I'm wondering, have you been turning in your pay stubs?
Yes, I'm working. Of course I'm working. I'm working at the Burger King. I recently started at the Burger King. But my monthly, the amount I'm making is not a lot. It's $300. They told me I was allowed to work, right? One of my friends told me that I can work and also get my benefit money. My friend told me that, so I know that that's right.
Yes, you're absolutely.
My pay stub? I didn't know that I had to give that to you. Nobody told me that. So what am I supposed to do? I don't understand. I need my money.
Yes, you absolutely can work. However, working will affect the amount of your check. Any amount over $85. So, for example, supposing you earn $100, we will subtract 85. That leaves 15. We divide that by 2, so your check will be deducted $7.50. Does that make sense?
Are you serious? You stole from... That's stealing from me. That's not fair. I have to have my money. I will just quit my job at Burger King so that I can get my money. Because I need it. And this is not fair. I can't afford to live. I can't afford my bills. I can't pay my bills with that little amount of money. Can you please just give me the $600 that I am supposed to have? I can't live on what you're giving me now. How am I supposed to live? You're subtracting all of that money and it's not fair.
Mrs. Walker, SSI is a means-based program. It's like welfare. Your income and resources will affect your check. The money you make will lower your check. And you have to turn in your pay stubs every month to avoid overpayment. It looks like we overpaid you $107.50. So it's really important that you turn in that information from work every month.
You are overpaying me? You're so wrong. This is... Ooh, I don't understand. I want to talk to your manager. I will come in there if I have to. You're wrong. I don't understand. I don't. Ooh. I want to talk to your manager. I want to talk to someone above you. Because you're making things up. You're lying to me. I don't trust you. I don't believe you. I want to talk to your manager right now.
Our first available appointment is May 31st.
May 31st? That is too long for me to wait. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awful. I will come in there when I have time and I will wait and I will wait for 4 hours if I have to. I'll wait for 4 freaking hours maybe. Because I need my check. This is bullshit. Hang up.
Hello?